Let's explore the lighthouse. Panoorin natin ang sunset, although mukhang nakatago siya. Let's see. Akit tayo ng lighthouse. Pagdating sa taas, we'll see yung buong Kasubi. Pero habulin muna natin yung sunset. Look at the beach. Oh. Ay! The sun is hiding. Ay, pero okay lang. So this is the beach. Beachfront ng Kasubi. Low tide ngayon. Look at the sun. Makikita kaya pag... Anyway, hindi ko alam kung kita eh. Ito ang mga cabins. I think it's Crusoe cabins. Before we stayed there, sa dito sa 5. It's beachfront. Nandun ang Apollo, Aeropods, banda doon ng Cocoon and Cupola. So this is Kasubi, Calatagan South Beach. Okay naman ang ating experience dito. Tomorrow uwian na, so goodbye for now.